Hello children, let us continue the chapter heat. In the last session, I told that we are going to discuss the relation between degree Celsius and Fahrenheit. And that relation between degree Celsius and Fahrenheit. There is a simple relation between them. If the temperature of any object is given in degree Celsius and it is to be changed into Fahrenheit, that is, the temperature is to be changed into Fahrenheit. There is a relation that from degree Celsius to Fahrenheit, this F equal to 9 into degree Celsius upon 5 plus 32. In this relation, the value in degree Celsius is given. It can be changed into Fahrenheit. If we want to change the temperature from degree Fahrenheit into degree Celsius, the same relation will be changed. Like this, C equal to, this is 5 by 9 F minus 32. This is a simple relation. This can be used to change from Fahrenheit into degree Celsius. This is used to change from degree Celsius into Fahrenheit. These are the two relations. And the temperature of different objects is different, but there are some objects which are having constant temperature or we can say common temperature. There, the temperature of human body, every human being, whether human being is child, small or adult, whoever, the temperature of all human body is same in normal condition. If he or she is not suffering from any kind of fever or anything, then the temperature is constant. In degree Celsius, it is 37 degrees Celsius. So then, temperature of water. As you know, water exists in three different states: solid, liquid, and gaseous state. In solid, we say it is ice. In liquid, water. Gaseous state, water vapor. If we heat water, if it is heated, means it is supplied heat energy, it changes into water vapor. Water vapor. In that case, on supplying heat energy, the temperature of water increases, it becomes water vapor. It changes into water vapor at some temperature. That temperature is 100 degrees Celsius. That is boiling point of water. This is boiling point of water. So, boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius in the normal condition. Then, the water is cooled. If the water is cooled, then it changes from liquid to solid, it become ice. And that temperature at which the water changes into ice, that is known as freezing point. It is known as freezing point of water. This freezing point of water is 0 degrees Celsius. Boiling point of water 100 degrees Celsius, that is constant. Freezing point of water is 0 degrees Celsius. This is also the constant. These are some standard temperatures for water. In the reverse process, if we heat the ice, if the ice is heated, then it will melt into water. And that temperature is also the degree Celsius, that is 0 degrees Celsius. Means ice changes into water at 0 degrees Celsius. That temperature is known as melting point. It is melting point. So melting point of ice is 0 degrees Celsius. Freezing point of water is also the 0 degrees Celsius. So these are the standard temperatures. And these temperatures can be, they are given in degree Celsius. But these temperatures can be changed from degree Celsius into Fahrenheit. For this, we can use the formula. Here it is used to change from degree Celsius to Fahrenheit. This is to degree Celsius from Fahrenheit. If we want to find out the human body temperature in Fahrenheit, in that the 37 degrees Celsius can be changed. Use this formula, that is 9 into, this is 37 upon 5 plus 32. Multiplying these two, dividing with the 5 and adding with the 32, you can get the answer. This is, it is 9 into 37. This is 3. And this is 27, 3 by 5 plus 32. And this comes 6. And this is also 6. Again it goes on. It 30, 333, 33, 5. 6 5 the 30. Then 3, 6 5 the 30. 3 remaining. 66.5 plus 32. And comes 98.5. So when we change the 37 degrees Celsius into Fahrenheit, it comes 98.5. So 37 degrees Celsius is equal to 98.5 degree Fahrenheit. This is how we change the degree Celsius into Fahrenheit. And one more conversion also we can discuss, that 0 degree Celsius is to be changed. 0 degree Celsius can be changed into Fahrenheit, dash Fahrenheit. Right? For this, use this formula F equal to 9 into C upon 5 plus 32. And this is 9 into 0. So F equal to, it comes 32. That means 0 degree Celsius is equal to 32 degree Fahrenheit. In Fahrenheit, it is equal to 32 degree. Again, the 100 degree Celsius can also be changed into Fahrenheit. If we take 100 degree Celsius, that 100 degree Celsius is equal to dash degree Fahrenheit. Again, using the relation F equal to 9 into 100 upon 5 plus 32. And this is 20. And comes 180 plus 32. This is 212. F equal to 212. That means 100 degree Celsius is equal to 212 degree Fahrenheit. So these constant temperatures can be changed from one into another. This is the conversion. In the next session, we are going to discuss that how the thermometers, clinical and laboratory thermometers are constructed.